Welcome to a world of digital marketing success, where mastering Google Analytics is the key to unlocking your potential. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, having a deep understanding of Google Analytics is essential for businesses and marketers. Google Analytics allows you to track and analyze valuable data about your website and online marketing efforts. With this powerful tool, you can gain insights into your audience, their behavior, and their journey through your website. By understanding your audience, you can tailor your marketing strategies to reach the right people at the right time. Are your marketing efforts generating leads? Are visitors converting into customers? Google Analytics can provide the answers and help you optimize your digital campaigns. But mastering Google Analytics goes beyond just tracking data. With the right knowledge, you can extract actionable insights that drive growth and revenue. Google Analytics offers a wide range of features, including goal tracking, event tracking, e-commerce tracking, and much more. By utilizing these advanced capabilities, you can measure the success of your campaigns, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions that lead to digital marketing success. So, how do you master Google Analytics? It starts with getting familiar with the platform and its various reports. Dive into the data, analyze trends, and identify patterns. Experiment with different metrics and dimensions to uncover valuable insights. Additionally, staying up to date with the latest trends and best practices is crucial. Attend webinars, read articles, and join online communities to keep improving your Google Analytics skills. Remember, Google Analytics is not just a tool for reporting, it's a tool for making informed decisions that impact your business's bottom line. Start mastering Google Analytics today and unlock the door to digital marketing success. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more about digital marketing and stay up to date with the latest tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Happy analyzing!